Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a very interesting video on merge queries, and under merge queries we are having option as, let me show you, we are having option of use fuzzy matching to perform the merge. In previous video we saw how we can use all these join kinds. There are 6 different join kinds here available. I have created already the video over it. You can check it out. In this video, I am going to explain this advanced concept of merging, that is fuzzy matching. Let's get started with the video. So basically in this video, I have taken 4 data sets for experimentation purpose. First one, you can see here, we are having 3 columns basically here. The first one is department, number of employees, and then department ID. In second data set, we are having 2 columns only because we want to join this sheet 1 and sheet 2, both the tables, and we want to create a new table which will be having this department ID in front of this department. Another, for third use case, I have kept this sheet 3 also in this department, and again number of employees is there. After that, sheet 4, it is a transformation table. So I will explain you why this table is required, what its significance, and how to use in this particular use case. So let me start demonstration. When I am clicking on merge as new, this time the first table, that is sheet 1. Second table I am choosing as sheet 2. What you can observe here is that in this department we are going to merge on the basis of this column, that is department, and in this department column we can see that human resource, it is having R as capital, and here R is a small. Similarly, there some difference you will find in department column, whatever data it is there. In supply chain you can see that there is a space here, and here there is no space. If we will go with this left outer join, or suppose any join that is basically the universal joins whatever we are having, if we will go through that, we can't find any matches between both of the tables. We can find it will not be it will not rightly said, it can't be rightly said that there will be no any match. We can see that this analytics is the particular data which is common between both, but rest of the 3 it will not match, and you will get only one data into your merged data table. So to come up deal up with that particular scenario, we are having an option of fuzzy matching. Basically what it does is, you can see human resource, it is also human resource, it is also human resource. Only difference you can find is the uppercase and lowercase later. R is in uppercase here, and here R is in lowercase. In accounts also you can see uppercase lowercase thing. After that, in supply chain there is difference only of space. That means here it is space available, here it's not. So we will be moving ahead and we'll show you how we can just we can use this table also to merge in means whatever it is having nuances, like it is having a small, or it is having the supply chain different from this particular table. But rest means whatever if we will want to join the both tables, we can do it by fuzzy matching. So what we will do is, we will click on use fuzzy matching in this case, and here we are having ignore case, match by combining text part. So basically what we will do, what this particular options tells us, that if you want to ignore case, that means if you want to ignore cases like R, this is small r, this is capital R. So this is the uh, use case of ignore case. Another one, match by combining text part. So basically here text part is in 2 parts, supply and then chain. Here it is supply chain. So it will consider both of the scenarios here. Ignore case, match by combining text part. Let me show you how does it work. If I click on this, ideally if we would have gone through any join condition or join kind, we would have got only one data into the merge table, that is analytics. This time you will see that 4 of 4 rows are getting matched due to fuzzy matching. So when we click on OK, you can see that it will be created, that is merge 2. You can see human resource, number of employee, department ID. This time suppose if I am choosing number of suppose department I am choosing, okay, or else let it be whatever it is right now. When I'm clicking on OK, you can see that from second table what you can see, human resource is correctly mapped to this human resource, accounts is correctly mapped to this accounts, as it was containing a small and capital use case also, but then also it is mapping correctly. Supply chain, it was having a space, but it is not considering that a space, it is matching that also. So this is very beautiful feature of Power BI. We will for now we will just delete this and we will switch to another option there into this merge query. Set one, merge queries as new. So this time seat 1 which will be chosen here and seat 2 only. Let me show you another option available in fuzzy matching, that is similarity threshold optional. So basically what it tells us is we can also define similarity threshold. That means suppose it will scale, it will keep basically it will be on the scale of 0 to 1. 0 will be 0% threshold, 1 will be 100%. So 0, 0.1, 0.1 will be 10%, 0.2 that will be 20%, 0.3 that will be 30%, and so on. So basically you can put the value as 0, 0.1, 0.2, whatever, ranging from 0 to 1. It will be taken as in percentage. So what it will do is it will look whatever data it is having into the first table, it will look that data, it will take that data from first table and it will search in second table, is it available or not. Right now in this case no data is matching, only analytics is matching. It will see another data as well based on its similarity threshold. If you are having suppose threshold as it as name suggests, basically you want to define a particular threshold above which only it will match your data, and it is a hit and try process. In actual scenario you will keep on giving the percentage. Actually if you are writing down here 0.5 and you are selecting this department and department, you can see that based on 0.5 this selection matches 4 of 4 rows. If you uncheck this also, you can see now it decreased to 3 of 4 rows. Since it is 0.5 you are declared here, if you are 0.9 you are declaring, the chance was that it would maybe having better matching condition, means better matching data set you may say. But this time it is 3. It will work on a large data set. Right now we have taken a very small data set, that's why it is so. If we want to keep it as 1, we can keep it as 1, and if we will keep that as 1, you can see that the selection matches decrease to very less, that is 1. What does it mean? It means that if you are telling that 100% should match, when you are comparing this department and this department, that is analytics, this particular record is only 100% matching, rest of the others are not matching 100%, that is human resource, accounts and supply chain, both all the three are different from each other from in both of the tables. So it is giving you the selection matches 1 or 4. Let me click on OK, which will be a great demonstration for you guys. So you can see here that this time, let me expand it, and you can see, yeah, for in front of human resource there is null. That means it is not able to match that because you have written their threshold as 1. That means 100% should match. So 100% matching data is this analytics only. Rest of the others are not matching, even means it is matching up to a certain percentage, but it is not matching up to 100%. So we need to keep a range between 0 to 1. You can in the actual scenario you will keep on trying, hit and trying on the that percentage with those percentage. Wherever the satisfactory result you will get, you will keep on that particular result. Let me delete it for now. Sheet 1, merge queries as new. Now I will move to suppose sheet 3. So now this time I want to merge these two sheets. So why I took this type of data here, HR, ACT, SC. Why I took? Just to explain you one more scenario in this particular feature of Power BI. That is, if we click on use fuzzy matching in both of these department column, you can see that the selection matches 1 out of 4 only. Why? Because analytics only you can see both the things are common here. But if this is a very common use case you will be facing into your daily life, that is, if suppose human resource it is written as somewhere HR, accounts is written as ACT, supply chain is written as SC. This is a very common use case which falls sometime into our domain. So what we can do is we can create transformation table. In this particular scenario I have kept sheet 4 as transformation table. What this transformation table looks like, let me show you first. Here you can see I have created a table in which it is having two columns. One is of from and another is of to. So what this from is, basically this HR can be represented with human resource, ACT is accounts, SC is supply chain. So like this, whatever abbreviation or whatever short forms you are using into your data set, another data set, you can declare it into your transformation table, which will look into the value of from. So basically why I have written it from only and to only. So this is as per Microsoft documentation guidelines, that if you are using transformation table, you need to keep only two columns into that particular transformation table. One column will be named as from and another will be named as to. Whatever column will be named as from, it will be taken as the source and to will be taken as a target. So in this particular scenario, similar thing is happening. So merge queries as new. Here I will take again sheet 3 where it is written into abbreviation form. Now I will click on transformation table, use fuzzy matching and to perform the merge. This time I will be using this transformation table as sheet 4. Now you can see that when I will click on the join conditions, you can see that the selection matches 4 out of 4 because I have given the abbreviation full form into the transformation table. When I will click on OK, you can see that this is very beautifully arranged into its corresponding data set, whatever it is. So you can see here the department HR, it was human resource. It is very smartly understanding all the things. ACT, accounts, analytics, it was as it is. SC, supply chain. So hope this video you found helpful, and if any confusion in this particular video, let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching it. Like, subscribe to the channel, like to the video, subscribe to this channel. If you guys like the video, it would keep me motivated to come up with these type of videos for you. Thank you so much once again for watching the videos.